So this is my Model 3, 6 months old. I get in the car. It's all fogged up. It's all fogged up. So I get in the back. Water. I turn on the AC or heater, for that matter. What the hell, man? What is going on? Like, it's 6 months old. Tesla Model 3. I was in Pacific City, Oregon. Went on a hike. I came back after 2 hours, maybe, roughly. And the car is all fogged up. I just didn't think anything of it. I started driving. I got to Lincoln City, Oregon, and I heard water. I'm like, oh, that's so weird. And I pull over, get in the back seat, thinking it's one of my water bottles that I had left open or something. All my water bottles closed completely, but there's water on the floor everywhere. Trying to figure out where it was coming from. I see water spots on my AC. I looked close, and there's water inside. The AC unit is filled with water. So about a month ago, every time I got in my Tesla, I started smelling this mildew smell. So about a week ago, I went in, got service. They replaced my air filter. You're all good. You're not gonna have any issues. And I haven't had any issues. And where I live, it's relatively dry. I live in Bend, Oregon. Very dry. I mean, what the hell, man? I love the car. I've talked my friends into buying Teslas. And what is this? Like, seriously. So I'm gonna request service, see what's going on. Hopefully they fix it or something. I mean, I'm not sure if I want to drive this car anymore with all that water inside there. No. Needless to say, like, not happy at all. Quite shocked, to be honest. Like, literally, that AC unit that's filled with water. It's filled with water, and you saw the water coming out. It's crazy. So, I mean, I'll see how they handle it. Hopefully, it gets sorted out. But so weird. I'm very disappointed.